Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Many iPhone users are reporting that Siri voice not working, Siri not listening or not speaking on iPhone. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. After, Hey Siri,
Hello.
can you tell the weather of Africa?
It's currently cloudy and 77 degrees near Mall of Africa.
Firstly, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. Make sure your iPhone volume is on. Solution 1. Open Settings. In Settings page, tap on Privacy and Security. Tap on Location Services. Now toggle on Location Services. Solution 2. Go to Settings. Find and tap on Siri and search. Toggle on Listen for Hey Siri. Solution 3. Open Settings app. Scroll down. Tap on Siri and search. Tap on Language. Now select the language. Go back to the Settings page. Then tap on General. Tap on Language and Region. Ensure your Siri language match your iPhone language. Solution 4. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on Keyboard. Scroll down. Toggle on Enable Dictation. Solution 5. Open Settings app. Scroll down. Tap on Siri and search. Tap on Siri responses. Under Spoken Responses, select Prefer Responses. Toggle on Always Show Speech. Now check. Hey Siri,
Hello.
can you tell the weather of Africa?
It's currently cloudy and 77 degrees near Mall of Africa.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.